this is the Mike Wazowski. I am playing some Subway Surfers, so let's get started. As you can see, Goldfish as a friend to the right. We are in New Orleans. The word is spray, I guess. Yeah, the commentary is going to be a little bit weird, but let me know if you guys like this in the comments, though. If I should do more. I'll show you my high score, if you didn't realize it in the beginning. As you can see, Goldfish's record isn't very high, but that's because his device broke, so he can't exactly change it, so yeah. I got a new subscriber. I can't remember her name. Thank you, though. Or, no. On my other channel, I got a new subscriber. I don't know how. I'll see how many subscribers I have. As you can see, my brother, which is, if you don't remember, Catman97. I don't know why 97, but he likes the number 97, I guess. Oh, I missed it. Dang, son. Oh, man, I missed that too. Oh, wow. Oh, whoa. Oh, yeah, where's the Y? I don't have many pumpkins, but it's okay. Daily challenge complete. Yeah. I wonder what's gonna be in the box. I'll do probably 2 rounds. So, imagine if you could do this in real life. That would just be awesome, I think. Got the last little jump. Oh no! That's just a friend from church. Oh, dang. I didn't get very far. That sucks. Let's see what I got, though. Money. Oh, it's not bad. Well, I guess just for the rest of the episode, I'll just use the rest of my money on these. Nice. 6 hoverboards, sweet. Stereo. Okay. I don't really see what's the point of getting $500 in this thing, because you know, if you know, whoa, 5,000, nice. Like 500, like, yes, 1 mega head start. I have a challenge I need to do that. Sorry I haven't done a video in a while on both channels. I have an idea for a video on my other channel, but not so much on this channel. Seriously, what's up with all the 500s? Like, I don't need it. Yeah, another one. 29 more, yeah. Another one! Oh, cancel. I accidentally hit it quite a bit of times. Yeah, my high score. Okay, let's see. 100,000 to 124,315. Yeah, so I got quite a bit. I don't know what else to do. I'll play one more round. I'll do one of these to get the mission complete. Times 8, yes. Sick. That'll help a ton. And plus when I get... Oh! Bugger! Let's just see. Missions. Bump into 3 trains in 1 run. Oh! Well, that's easy. I can do that really easily. 1. Oh, wow, I didn't even see that one. Play. Okay. Oh, I forgot I have to wait until he's... Okay, now I can bump into 10 trains. 1. 2. And 3. Sweet. Ooh, I'm gonna get that pumpkin. Yeah. Yeah, Spider-Man! Woo! And then after this round, I'll just be done with the episode. Oh, look at this times 16. This is gonna be great. Oh, man. Look how much ground I cover. It's crazy quick. I just covered 1,000 yards just like that. That was so sick. Sick. Jetpack. Oh, man. It's a little laggy because of the screen recorder. It does kind of suck. Another times 2. Awesome. Whee! Uh-oh, no. No! Oh, snap! Oh, did you see that, Ninjaness? Yeah, that was awesome. Yeah. So yeah, after this round, I'll be done. For this episode. In the comments, please let me know if you want me to do more Subway Surfer. Personally, I enjoy it. I would like to know if you guys enjoy it, that I don't get those haters. No one likes you. There's 40 coins with magnet. Oh, sweet. I got... Oh, times 9. Yeah. That was actually quite easy. I just downloaded this app about a week ago, so I've played it before, but yeah. Yeah, times 18, baby. Yeah. That's awesome. Times 18. Well, guys, thank you for watching this episode. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe to my other channel if you have not. So, thank you for watching, guys.